My anxiety kicked in. I didn't say a word. Ooh, that's crazy. I cannot believe this. Hello guys. I hope you're having a good holiday time. This is gonna be day 2 of Vlogmas. And for today, I thought of something beauty related. It's for all my girlies out there with a little more sparse eyebrows that they might want to have like a little more volume on. Hello? Okay. Or for my boys that have like very hoarse and like, you know, like all over the place eyebrows and they kind of want to tame them. Give them like one direction. So today we're going to be trying a lash lift kit for our brows. We're going to be doing a brow lamination with a kit from Temu. This kit was around $5 honestly. I've seen the same on Amazon, so if you can trust Amazon, I would trust this too. We'll see though. We'll see, because like if you see me just like flaring up or like having an allergy or something, you will know not to do it. But if not, you can give that a try. So this video is by no means sponsored, it's just for fun. We're gonna try to laminate our eyebrows. We're gonna try to make them go all up like this. Yeah. And this kit is for lash lift, but from my research, lash lift and brow lamination have the same procedure and the same ingredients for the perm. So we're going to be following the steps that this says here. It comes with a glue. It has a perm solution, a fixation solution, a nutrition, and a cleanser. And it comes with some little kind of like plastic brushes and also lash lift pads. We're going to be starting off with the glue. We're going to be putting some lash glue on our eyebrows. Ooh. And I think we're going to put them in place. So whatever that is, the perm solution is going to go on it and it's going to like make it stay like that. It's gonna make the hair tissue very soft. It's gonna break it down kind of, I think. We remove it, we're gonna put the other solution that fixes it on that particular, you know, shape. Can you tell I'm anxious just from... Okay, I'm gonna get this clean tool, these tools. I also attended a seminar for brow lamination the other day. I was at a beauty expo for nails. And I was like, why not attend that seminar? I took Gary with me too. And we were just like, oh shoot. And we saw the whole procedure. So now I'm feeling confident that we got this. Oh. Okay, I think I'm gonna be needing a mirror. My eyes are from Cold Eyes. I think it's icy blue or something like that. And I'm gonna be starting on this. Oh my god, I would never think that I would put eyelash glue on my eyebrows, but this is very smart actually. Okay. I'm gonna take this part, it's kind of like, you know? Okay, from my understanding, you're gonna have to put them like very exactly where you want them to. Oh my god, what is this boy doing here? Holy. Fun story about the seminar. She was like, I'm gonna show you guys how to do this right. A lot of girls start brushing all the eyebrow hairs upwards and this is so wrong. And I started laughing and she was like, my friend there knows what I'm talking about. She's seen a lot of people like this. Meanwhile, I was laughing because I do that all the time. Like I brush them upwards. I didn't say a word. My anxiety kicked in. I didn't say a word. I didn't stand up for anyone. I just stood there and laughed with her. Yeah. Anyway, I don't know if I should be using like a spoolie or something. Maybe that's a good idea. Hello.
Oh shit.
Chicken spasm.
I'm too shy. I can't do this. I love you.
Me too. There's food. Okay, it's getting harder. Hey guys, I'm editing and I forgot to say that this is supposed to last from like 1 to 2 months according to how strong your hair is. So, I'm kind of digging it. I like it. Yeah. Yeah, you stay like that. This looks very nice to me. So let's try to do the same from here. I would love to hear if you guys have any ideas for other videos like that. If there's something that you want to try and like you don't dare to do it, I got you. You know that. We need more product. If I'm honest with you, I thought this was going to take a little less time than this, but you know, just saying. This is a strong glue. Oh my god. Okay, I think we're almost there. That was so much, dude. Oh my god. And you know, this has always been my friend, like I told you. Hear me out. If it works, we're gonna do our eyelashes too. Not now. Do I like this? Not really. Do I like it more than what I had? Yes. So, for 10 minutes of prepping. Hopefully I'm gonna edit this a little easier on you guys. So, now is the time for the perm solution. I've already pre-cut my little plastic wraps because I don't like it when they just like all that in your face. I think I'm gonna get a Q-tip. Ooh! This is strong. Oh my god, what does this smell like? By the way, I forgot to tell you all, but I had cleaned everything from my eyebrows. It looks like it's everywhere. So now, we'll wait 10 minutes. Hey Siri. Set timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, starting now.
Anyway, see you in 10, babies. You would think I'm normal, but I'm not. Okay, so now I'm gonna take these off. Oh, that feels so nice. I'm gonna lie if I didn't tell you that I was gonna leave this like that. If I didn't know that the lady at the seminar said to wipe it. She said wipe it, but don't like grab anything. Okay. Oh, I think my hair is so soft right now. You don't want to mess with the skin around it. You only want to mess with where the hair is, okay? But what we're gonna do here is go with this again. Oh my goodness. I think we're missing some brow here, huh? Okay. Oh boy, I really want this to work. Whew. Okay, another thing about them is that they're gonna start losing some color, some pigment of the color, and that's why they usually tint eyelashes or eyebrows afterwards. It's because they turn a little lighter. I'm not gonna tint them because I don't have anything to tint them with right now, and even if I did, you should not be using some actual hair dye, especially in my color. Like, imagine some complete black eyebrows. Maybe it can turn bad, you know? So I'm gonna put this everywhere that we already brushed. Oof. That doesn't smell bad at all. Alright, perfect. It's a little weird consistency. It kind of looks like it's old. I'm pretty sure it's not because I just unpacked it, but it kind of like feels like thicker and kind of like chunkier. And I feel it warm once it stays on there. Oof. I don't know if you by any chance watched the video of me tattooing my eyebrows at a tattoo place for eyebrows. That was traumatic, but it did work and it has still stayed. Like, I can still know where the shape is so that I can draw it and fill it in. But I'm pretty sure that something like that will probably erase your color. Ready? from the bottom to the top. And I kind of push it a little bit too. And this is what we're left with. And it's time for this. Another 10. And I'll see you with bleach blonde eyebrows very soon. I love this sound. So, now that the other 10 minutes have passed, I'm not really sure what we're doing, but I think we're taking the cleanser, which has number 4 on it, and the nutrition has number 3. But you only use the cleanser before the nutrition. So anyway, something like a micellar water, like a makeup remover, because it tells you to use it before too. To be honest, I had already cleansed my eyebrows before that. So, let's see. Oh. Wait. Oh. Do you think it's gonna stay? Maybe I should just swipe a little bit. It's blue. Dip it in the cleanser. And it's supposed to remove all the glue. Huh. Just like that, huh? There's a little bit of something coming out of it. I think it's some makeup and some like of the lash glue. It comes out, but it comes with the makeup and it looks like dead skin, but I don't think it is. I'm pretty sure I can go around it with the makeup wipe like this. I'm taking a brand new one and going over this one. Ooh, that's crazy. So, it looks good, but it doesn't stay. Like, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be much easier to put the brow gel on it and just stay like that. But to be honest, it doesn't look like it's stuck anyway. They do look very straight. I don't know if you can see this, but they do look very straight. Let me grab my spoolie and kind of clean it a little bit. My spoolie is gross, I know. Stella, this doesn't look bad at all. And this is without anything, you know? Like anything on it after 1,000 things, but you know what I mean? Like now it doesn't have any gel left over. I am amazed. I think I need to trim a little bit of it, but this hair right here, I think it's gotta go. Okay. Wow. They're much blonder for sure. I'm obsessed. I don't know what to do now. Now I'm supposed to put the nutrition on. It does tell me that I should put it with a mascara wand, but guess what? Your girl here doesn't have a mascara wand. She has to go upstairs to get one, and she doesn't want to, so I'm not gonna use this dirty one. No, that's full of glue. Okay. Wow. I can't believe this. The lashes are coming up, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. That's the second day of Vlogmas, but I'm pretty sure this is a video for anyone to see. It's the first time that I'm trying it at home. Oh my god, go and get your kit, girl. Yeah. And if you have any questions, please don't forget to comment them down below. I'll see you guys on the next day. Kisses!